My people, I want quickly respond to some people. Eh? Mostly all those that useless, whether na AIT they call am or ITV, I don't know. Say they see our monarch summons all the native doctor, all the ohen, all the priests, and all anybody wey be say they do traditional things. You be Michu, you be Bami Water or Gbanje o, make they call the course. Then they say, this 21st century, this 21st century. No, now they see all those hypocrites. Now God I go punish you now. The time when e be say our royal father never come and talk about her, now so that they drag her. Oba Benin no want you do anything about insecurity. Oba Benin no want talk about this insecurity. They not dey give her any allocation. Say now you go to take care of security for your state. Not they receive money that they pay our state governor. They say we all they say call governor tell am say this thing when be say you dey do so he get right to call the state governor. He not get right. He may get, he may not get. As far as say the governor dey alive, you suppose know say things dey happen for state wey dey govern. Abi now many people dey say after he don still some muscle, make you see say Unu Agbontokpa. After our royal father don summon Ohe and the traditional people, wetin dem dey do say make dem come on the second. Anything wey una get, power wey una get, na the time to come show am. Na it be this. Anybody cause wey dem wan lay, if you dey the ground, you get hand for kidnapping work wey e dey go on. The juju go follow you. If you dey that ground, you get hand because wound not get hole, heart not dey enter. Many people dey when e be say they get hand, all those things. You understand? He summons all of them, make dem come use their power, at least remove them. If you be wincho, no na locate them, direct them comot. Many people say why you dey do am 21st century, they still dey do all those things, they still dey do am. See, not where they not dey do. Go to where Ogun State, whether na Ijebu abi Ogun State, me I put am like that, abi Osun State, na it for happen. When baddies come, they wan come carry people for the state, for that village. That village, they wan come pack people. Immediately they enter the center of the village. All of them sit down, they sleep. They hear the thing, the ojuju charm where they put for ground, where they put for air, catch them. All of them begin to sleep. Now so they call the record them. That one not be tradition. Now governor fight that one. No. At least don't criticize any power. There is power of this juju. Just as our people not sabi use am well. Power dey, black power, black magic dey. You understand? The only thing when it be say he go fit do, all those traditionalists, all those native doctor, who go summons them, may they find power when it be say pastor not the one are not condemn pastor. And now they understand. Pastor go come out today now. Hey, hey, ta 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 ta, kinapa ta 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 ta. I never see anybody when he condemn am. Now when Oba Benin now come out now say, may they come lay calls for those people, may they use their thing, their leg and hand come up for Edo land. All of that say century, 21st century, 18th century, even though na 9th century, e no concern you. We was born and brought up in traditional way. You understand me? So now Oba come and they say, make una do this thing. Make una see if those people now, if they know what they do, their things they work, they supposed to say yes. This thing they go believe on and say, more give them short time and they go pack their things come out. If you not believe in something, they themselves believe on their thing. You understand? More stop. When the thing they happen, when I say Oba Benin not get anything where you talk. Oba Benin not get anything where you talk. Ask me, each of people go see they talk. It not happen for una state. Una not get enogi. Why enogi? Una enogi say they not confess and say he get out for kidnapping work. It not happen for Afema. Una not get Otaro. Well, it not come out, make it talk say yes. May they do. So Oba Benin is almost a traditionalist. Mona led the cause. Okay? The only thing where they get now be black power. May they try their black power. Even though 18th century, no 18th century, 21st century, no concern una. The time when he be say he never call of all those who all those native doctor. Now social media they hot. Even some of our people say, "Oba talk ewari ayewobo, ewari ayewobo." The state they spoil, the Benin they spoil, that they carry people. Oba not get anything when he talk. Now he does still come now. Say, may they summons, he summons audio, may they come use their power to pronounce, leave my land. Una cost the command now. See this century, 8th century. Leave am. We know say na 21st century. Leave am. That is why we happy as our Oba talk am. More we wait. Okay. Pastor, how many pastor they don hold? They're not by them. Politicians, they're not by them. So as the only thing wey be say we will still do now, more we still at least follow tradition way. E may help us, if e no still help us. You understand me so? If he help us, he no fit still help us. If he help us now the same una na go still cry come so abeg pack those people come so una stay to they don call that side o they just leave Benin na that side they come stay. See make una let una man dey talk one word. Make una leave us alone. Leave Edo land alone. Okay? Okay? Many people, the only thing wey I go quarrel with all those native doctor, see, this time make una not dey near woman, because I believe if na only two people believe themselves, let that two people go to shrine, the upper palace there, go lay the cost. Not be una when e be say so family I just carry ekpeti, and many of una na empty ekpeti una dey carry dey waka. Una don useless una ojuju. Then una go there now, una go dey measure people, another innocent people wey dey Europe. Una go dey measure their name. Na that time now Ogun go kill una. The say if you be Ohen, they say kidnapper. Oba say kidnapper. Abi, if you come say una when e be say e dey Europe, come mention am, na Ogun na go finish una that day. You understand? Because na kidnapper na be our edict now, bandits. So they not tell you say people wey dey Europe not dey kidnap anybody. Go face those people. Now they come talk. I know say all of una now, some una head now the brain una match am, una go come now come dey talk another thing. Face kidnapper, gbomo when e come so, una go use na leg take comot o. This na juju na go kpai am o. Na dey tell you make you do. They not say make you come dey cause people wey dey abroad. People wey dey abroad na those one na dey give una information. They give una life to live. All of una dey wey dem dey call am darkness before. You understand? So make all of una not try am do wetin dey say make you do. I know say many of una now na that one be una target. Una go call now come dey say una wey dey abroad, una wey dey abroad, una from abroad dey talk, una from abroad dey talk. Anyone wey dey throw mouth to palace to our king, he go use ear take carry am. He go use ear take carry am. You understand me so? Now our king I talk, I not talk chief. All those chief wey you see, all of them are corrupt chief. You understand me so? I dey come there, wetin our papa go still do. And wetin our papa go still do concerning all those chief. You understand me so? Make the first still do this one. So after they do this one, they don't lay course. They go carry all those traditional, all those chief when they dey inside Aba Palace there. They go pack all of the come. They go use the taste well ogudugu. You see, Ijaw matter wey e be say the corner. They say the thing don start from e don tey wey e be say our Edo people dey cry to palace. They say Ijaw people dey terrorize them for Ovia side. Our people not dey talk good. The chiefs when the be say they inside Aba Palace, they go hear the matter. They say go. Itamerobo. Those chiefs na then be the problem when Edo get. All those chiefs. If na one or two, make they drive the rest. Make they drive the rest. Because the problem where all those chiefs cause, now we dey pass through so. We dey pass through problem of those chiefs. No community where problem no dey. Who is the cause? Na those chiefs. Na those chiefs wey they put for Oba Palace there say help dey maintain this palace, at least arrange things where e suppose to be. Na they not let person dey evil. They see road. All of them don't talk to nightmare to many people. You will get problem for your community. You go go there. You not go see. They not go allow you talk with see Oba. Now there go be the Oba. All those chief, all those chief. Any man talk pe Oba talk pe. All chief now. Yiyan vogudugu. In short, when you acquire Gwari, when you acquire Gwari, see, make all of the go. They know they get anything to contribute. If they receive now, they pay them for nothing. They pay them for nothing. Palace go advocate. You're not supposed to pass 2 weeks before they see justice. Now those people will now carry your matter. They will now chop you. They go chop you like kakawon. You understand? You when the carry case come, you will come be say now you go be the victim. Who they do one? Now those chief when he dey inside Oba Palace there. In short, if you ask me, those chiefs they are more evil, dangerous more than the kidnappers. All those chiefs in Oba Palace, they dey danger pass kidnappers. You when they send message, help me to repair, they repair this house. Oh. Help me they at least coordinate any matter when they come. Then go come take am upon themselves say na dem come be the Oba of Benin. Na then go come dey say na then wetin Oba no talk, na dem go come talk am come and say Oba say Oba say. Those chief, those one are they are most wicked more than the kidnappers. All those chief, all those chief, all those chief. As Oba talk pe even was one now. Ọ̀nà àwa aláyọ̀ tọ̀rẹ́. Awe chief ni wa bania yawa ivie o emi ya fefefe o we ni afio you talk jinya ogudugu ti amoa o ti amoa but jinya vogudugu because the problem start from all those chief. The problem start from there. Peace not there. Something go dey happen like this now to go to palace. You as indigene of that Edo do not go fit see enter palace. But all those people when you know from Edo, they go give the time to enter. They go give the time to enter. Many people they go not open gate. Will not be small pella come that they run enter palace. Brr. Do what you be saying you want to come out. Many people they get community problem. Our chief don't go open door when they enter. All those chiefs when they inside those palace, they are more dangerous than the kidnapper, the bandits. The bandits what we get for Benin, now those chiefs when they palace there. Now those chiefs when they palace, they are more dangerous than the kidnapper. Not be lie, yo. Not be lie. Who they talk truth now be the bad person. Upon October when they carry you do dig ground, they say pour water. We not see any part where you don't play for this bandits winning. Ebonoto, you when they dig ground, they pour water. We not see what you don't do for these bandits when they say it dey at least that name when they say you dey represent Ebonoto, it can't be say it can't reach where you supposed to show your power. Your own power come dey weak. You see, una not need to even dey that palace. Una not need to because una corruption make some juju not dey work again. Abobo nigila lo egboku nigiya agba kan oyo we boy aseniya we get problem o. Benin get problem. Benin get problem. Awa yela lana ati o wazo awa we boy agbe. I don't understand I don't want you to go far. But the problem where I don't get na do chief. They wicked more than the bandits. They wicked more than even this Asari Tukubo. Do chief. They wicked. Because a witch, they as you go there, they quit they activate, they follow you. They're not born any matter when they come, they will quick push leg, step on, talk about her instantly. Matter go come. Matter go spend a year for palace, a year for palace. For palace will not be for court o, wey dey say this thing for palace a year. Now wetin our father need to talk say, see, I no wan make any community matter dey pass at least 2 weeks. Anybody wey dey sing for, he go come and he talk the word, and I investigate am with 1 week. The next one, the other week, na pass judgment make dem carry go. But our chief when he dey, dem no go gree o. Dem go say go, we don hear you. Na you dey judge for us? Say no. Oya make una go. Na there you go come dey see Ikpage go dey come. The other dem go dey come, this side go dey come, this side go dey come. Dem go dey bring money, sell otere, come dey give dem money. Una dey wicked more than the bandits. Una dey wicked, all those chief when e dey inside Oba palace. Oba Atokpe, awe una no suppose na gba ohi. At least na one now focus on or awe chief na no uwe gwani. Ehiya ema. E asie problem no rina. If of ya northeast, cause we are sorry. Egwa make hunia, ekini jodu, make hunia. Ubege amakie huno ma here dey activate here. Awe nene mi wa awi yan ruwe nene gwa ni wa odo because here ha mi go inside ni. Ekeni ana mi go we no wa that develop. Na wa ehin oto go awale ware. They will focus on those one. The problem when it be say we dey get for Edo, our chief not the life focus on those one because maybe they never they say they go now ask that place how much they say 100 by 100. They will say maybe 100,000. You go by area, they 1 million. Erima on our for abe chief ini. I am a book beyo. Una igare guana ne wonu ria babu. We onu ene no ba mata we onu we do amuere. I am a book beyo. Na we chief ni bu you because as you kubu. Awe chief ni ruwe guani osu kubu otenedu. I am not believe, but awe a kinapa nala a color or a color a kinapa a land issue no. A land issue no. On our for abe chief ni uvi inye vivie yoto unya lulane. We etinya o me wan we wicked is a video abe chief ni ruwe gwani. Ehiyema akpakpamaga eyahin akpakpamaga ehiyema ehinya envelope eyamugiya. We don't want I mean what river na egumagene o mi no ka na o ka gba oke no and I chief na or use aladian wewa abe chief or use o na gi mi o toge the chief oge o tinye na hi chief mi na imu no we why we na we yes so afiunu fi obunu yes so afi obunu ya what no because ihe dị okodene ihe wa ya were gberi ya sunu wa not you wakpa egwa niri ne egwa me ha suwai ose wakaya me gbeligo rere kwore I'm not happy with you. I chief wa na those are wicked chiefs here that's a case here even worse more than the bandits. A case here even worse more than even the Asari Tokubo. Here we work here. Our chief ni we ni. Akpakpawanga. Here akpakpawanga. Here aroda here ma. Here ariyeki here ma. Our chief ni we work ni. Erima no sunu. Egwa fun oba gogo. Here wa tota here wa mu vie ru. Where oge maybe where na a politics yan we were politics you go na mure last week ni opolo so na mure na we yan na we yan but you go ni amure opolo se o yan no yan na yan we wa guruguru awe chief wa owo no wa yari o boy awe but wa ya ven awe chief na wa egbuwa ogwa osaroida ebonoto obazelu wa egbuwa debare nike inoro wa worst is about this. I am telling you people, wa worst is about this. Wa gemata aladia uwe gwaba wa gemata aladia awa ono na ya wa chebo na fo eri me we gbe mu e o we gbe ye teti ni ani ado mo bo gbe yan ni lige gwa episi waro ni ya mo bo gbe yan ni lige gwa una ga chief ne uwonu enenu eri mamata uwonu dota uwonu mudia ode yari yawo e chie boyo e awe chief ha mo bo gbe na ona gi o my concern anybody awe chief no rugwe gba ha mo bo gbe na o ma understand me na see wa àwọn ewúro baba ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà afọ òwúrẹ̀ gbẹ̀rẹ̀ appointment ọ̀wé ènìyàn ní àdómọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ gbàwé chief ìnọ̀yọ̀ awẹ́gbà because ẹni ọ̀sẹ̀ pọ́bìlẹ̀rẹ̀ nana mi ẹ̀wẹ̀ èrò ànìbùnú àtọ́ àfi ebùnú gíẹ̀ òtẹ́gbà ẹ̀wẹ̀ chief náà ẹ̀ nọ́ àmọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ gbìyà èrì màní wíẹ̀ dò tá àmọ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ gbìyà tí màsó àwọn yìí ní ẹni màkàrẹ̀ mẹ́ẹ̀ká sí ẹ̀wẹ̀ chief náà rí. I don't rest on a matter. I will chief na I don't go rest on a matter. Now be the problem where Edo people get. Not be like Edo people now be the problem. They go say most now people come, they want bring complaint. Una not go open gate. Even though they cost it una open gate, the matter na go sweep under the carpet. They not go hear anything about it. Where we want for start. So my people, I go end this video. Una when they say our monarch send urgent message, made the consul. That's where una when they condemn that word. That's where go still kill all of una. It go start from that AIT. All those people when they say they laugh that day. Una know una that's where go kill una. Kill anybody say not be that century. And now 21st century now the juju want kill all of una. Now the same 21st century, that would do where they want cost that day. It will buy all of una. So that me I go take social media, they drink beer, they happy. So una don't die. You understand? All of now the drag say he don't come at front up, he not do anything. Now he don't know what he believe on. During his father, he takes the apple like this, he go summons all the way, they will not know what to do. Now all those things they happen for Benin. You go summons all the Ohe. That time all those Ohe never corrupt. All those native doctor any highway back on your those that I can't be day. But now by the grace of God. But however, this one go work. This one go work. If you not say your juju not strong, go stand for back. If you not say your juju, you dey come palace that day. Your juju is not strong. Carry your own juju, go put for back. Those one when you get power, make they stay for front. And because I know many of una want make camera catch una. Make they say this one. No, if your juju not strong, you carry and go back. Make you not pollute those one when you get power. Those one when you get power, may they come from, may they at least may they face this thing. Director where we say they want send it to. Many of una now on the first una don dey palace there so that una fit stay for front. Na lie o, if your juju not just strong, you no get anything, you can't do anything, carry and go back. In short, just go to where for back of fence over palace. You can walk with your leg to there. If na only hand Oku say dey play. This one we no wan come show na power. And that juju Asari Tukumbo where me bok gbe. Wa me bok gbe asa no be jo wa me bok gbe no hu you wan carry wa ne de nyenye na wa na here for 2 minutes or we dey do battlefield yen unwi aka unwi aka ya wan me otedo ogbe o see una when e be say una say no be 21st century una go participate for that juju una go take 10%. That juju go finish all of una. 21st century not be 21st century e no concern una. Na wetin person get na it the show. As far as say we believe in our juju and that juju we go swear am. As far as say na 21st century you yourself you go be partaker of that juju. That juju go visit you. You understand? That ojuju. No, this one not be this one I will they call juju. You go trace you. Una when they talk, all those AIT broadcast this thing when they talk that day. Now juju now go finish all of it. When it take go there, go the loud juice, like una go laugh till una go kpai enter grave. Na so you go, this juju go do to all of you. I not get joy. Oh. I know you get joy. You understand me? So I not get joy. Why? Because una drag our palace say you not get anything to talk. You not get not be you dey control security money. They not dey pay am security vote money. Na wetin e be say e know how to do. Na e summons the people more na come. Abi e summons them. As the summons them now, e come become problem. Na the ojuju na im go fire all of una. You understand? Now the ojuju na im go fire me. I go dey and then they swear I go dey use native doctor take the director native talk to una direction. All of una go collect woto woto. Na so na no I just wait.